Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So, I am just starting today with the pumpkin seed oil that I made. So, if you haven't watched that video, definitely go check out how I made this pumpkin seed oil. It is pure and natural. And if you can make yours, definitely grab our pumpkin seed extra virgin organic from our website. We also sell it on Amazon and Walmart, so you will be fine if you don't have to make yours. This is just an experiment that I made making mine. So today I'll be using Tucuma butter, which is a wonderful butter from the Amazon rainforest, and I have a whole video where I talk about Tucuma butter, the benefits of this wonderful butter, and how you can use it for hair growth and for softening the hair and for blemish prone skin. It's also very good for moisturizing the skin. Most of the Amazon rainforest butters are just wonderful for the skin. The people of that area have used it for decades for skincare issues, skin irritation problems, and acne and other skin problems. So you'll be fine if you use this to get your skin ready for the fall and to make sure your skin is moisturized and supple and soft and all that wonderful stuff that we all want for our skin. So I went ahead to melt it down. So if you've been watching this channel, then you pretty much know how it works. Just melt the butters down and then keep going, refrigerate it, and get it out and whip. So this is the melted Tucuma butter. It is unrefined, so that's why you have this color. And we do carry different versions of Tucuma butter from time to time. Sometimes it's slightly refined, sometimes it's just 100% unrefined. Based on what we get from our suppliers. So these rainforest butters, they are quite scarce nowadays. So we just take what we want, what we get, because then it's still natural and pretty much in its pure state. So I just incorporated it with the pumpkin seed oil that I made, and I am just going to refrigerate it and get it ready for whipping. So this is how I retrieved it from the refrigerator. So one of the tips that I gave on this channel on how you can make sure that your butters are manageable is to know when to get it out of the refrigerator, so you don't have to freeze it or leave it in for too long if you don't want to have problems with the whipping process. So just know when to get it out. You don't have to take it out immediately. You can, depending on the texture of the butter. So Tucuma butter is medium soft, so you just want to give it a little bit of time before you take it out. So this is how it looks when I just started whipping it, and I can just tell that this is going to be a super moisturizing butter for the hair or for the skin, but I think I'm going to use this one for skin and hair because I just love everything that can soften my skin this fall. So I live in New England area, so it's already pretty cold here in October. We're still getting some days that are a little bit warm, but nothing too summer-like anymore. We're over summer, and we're just definitely in fall. So if you're trying to do your fall skincare preparations, then definitely grab some pumpkin seed oil. So pumpkins are famous around this period for a reason. So you do get the seeds, and you can use it to make your own seed oil at home. You can also just roast and blend it and add it to your smoothies and your soups. There's a lot you can do with pumpkins, and I did grow a ton this year in my garden, so I've just been looking for what to do with it. Besides pumpkin bread, pumpkin pies, pumpkin soup, I just decided to make my own pumpkin seed oil this year, and I'm really loving the outcome of this beautiful experiment, because you can tell this butter is going to be super moisturizing for the hair. I can't wait to add it into my hair care regimen. So I also reserved some of this oil and I used it for a hot oil treatment, and I'm going to show that also on this channel, so definitely stay tuned to watch that. So first of all, if you want to enjoy this video, you have to go watch that first one where I made the pumpkin seed oil, and then move on to this. And I will also, I believe I'm going to post that one before I post this one. I used some of it to make a salve as well. So there is just no limit to what you can create with pumpkin seed oil and what you can make for your own skincare and hair care at home. So this is how it looks. I really like the look of it, and I'm looking for when I want to add some fragrance to my creation, I try to look for what will go best with it. So pumpkin seed oil is quite potent, so I'm thinking I'll just add some myrrh oil to it, and that's myrrh. It's just a beautiful color, and it's more like a resin than an oil. And I've made frankincense and myrrh butter here on my channel, and it's just a wonderful essential oil that you can incorporate for skin treatment, for hair treatment, into your DIY creation. And I would link that video on here where I made frankincense and myrrh body butter. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and you will also go back and watch the playlist. That will be great, so you can just follow along why I'm so excited about this particular video. And definitely subscribe, share, and like and comment. I love to read the comments, and I appreciate all of them. Thank you for watching. Bye.